Hello and welcome to my channel. This is my converted drill press. I converted this to a milling machine. The things that I've changed, I got this from scrap metal, this machine complete. The electronic doesn't work, so I mounted a new power switch. Then I've changed the controller for the motor. It's controller, so I can regulate the RPMs like I want. Then I changed the motor. This is a washing machine motor. I turn it off to show it better. When we open the top, we got a new belt, a pulley made of wood. You can see this video on my other on my channel, on other video. So there we got the washing machine motor with the controller. The controller is from AliExpress, cost about $2 or so, not very expensive. What the change that I made for this machine, I mounted a cross table, also from AliExpress. This model is, I'm happy with it. It has bearings here inside. The cheaper one doesn't have one inside here. Yeah, and it even cuts steel. The lamp is an IKEA lamp. I've mounted it here. Here's the power plug, so can you turn it on or off. So you have a work light here and can put it where you want. What I also like with this machine is that it has fine depth adjust here. This is a Steinl B4. It's an industrial machine, and normally it had an 150 watt motor, but now I have 400 watts with this one. It's very much powerful, and I can regulate much better the RPMs. I bought the drill chuck here and the lathe, not the lathe, the milling cutters. That's it so far. Thank you for attention. If you also would build your own milling machine from a scrap drill press, yeah, that's the idea how you can do it. Thank you very much for your attention. Hope I inspire you. Goodbye.